Alright, we are making 3-ingredient cream cheese peanut butter balls. Now to measure, not to marry, please don't marry your cream cheese. To measure your cream cheese, you can see the ounces here. It takes 6 ounces of cream cheese. All right, and then we need 1 cup of peanut butter. Which would be a half a jar of peanut butter because this is 16 ounces. So, just so you know. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. All right, then we're going to beat these two together. By the way, you want your cream cheese to be softened, so just set it on the counter about an hour before you go to use it. All right, now we're going to take 2.5 cups of powdered sugar. Now it says to sift your powdered sugar. Like, okay, if you say so. I never sift. So why am I sifting now? You guys like my great-grandma's sifter? I was going to use my great-grandma's sifter, but now, you know what? Forget it. I don't sift. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so there's 1, 2, and we're just going to start with 2 since it's not sifted and see if that's going to be a good consistency. Okay, that is about the consistency that I want right there. So we're going to let it set up in the refrigerator for about an hour to get firm, and then we're going to roll it into balls. You don't have to put on gloves, but got my Christmas nails on. What do you guys think? Are they like it? Okay, here we go. All right, once we got it scooped out, then we go in and roll it into little balls. Now, these gloves do make this part of it actually a whole lot faster, I think, than your hands, because the gloves are such a smooth surface. Okay. Now we're going to go put these in the freezer for about an hour, and then we're going to dip them with chocolate. All right, I have my almond bark here, just the regular almond bark.
Look like donut holes.
They do, don't they? Okay, so I'm curious. I've never had cream cheese and peanut butter before, so I'm gonna give this one a try and let's see. Oh. Oh! Oh, that's delicious. Oh, that's delicious. Okay, you know what? You could just make a fudge out of this. This could just be a fudge. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Okay, now this was a half a package of almond bark. So 12 ounces of almond bark. As always, guys, the recipe is in the description below. People say, why don't you give measurements? So you can go to our website and get them correctly, if we remember to put the link in there. And if I don't, please nicely let me know that I forgot the link. No need to be getting all snippy because I forgot the link. Okay, now we're gonna let these get hardened and then we're gonna taste test. Okay, they are done. I probably should have double dipped these. My aunt always did. She had perfect peanut butter balls, but guys, I'm just tired. So I just break off all. Now you can do this over a, you know, a cookie, what is it called? A cookie cooling rack. And just let the chocolate fall off and then you won't have all these little pieces on there. Taste testing. Mike doesn't like peanut butter, so I will sacrifice. Okay, that is really good with cream cheese. I'm sorry, you can't go wrong with cream cheese and peanut butter. You can find the recipe in the description below.